All right, y'all, today I'm gonna show you how to make some New Orleans style cornbread in a skillet. Let's go. First thing first, y'all, you need 2 cups of yellow cornmeal, okay? All right, so y'all, up next, you're gonna need a 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, okay? All right, y'all, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, all right? If you ain't never tried the cornbread down here in New Orleans, y'all, it's absolutely delicious. If you ain't got a skillet to do this here, go down to Walmart or something, grab you, like $12, okay? It's worth it. All right, y'all, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now check it out, y'all. Go in there with a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, okay? Now go in there, y'all, 1 teaspoon of salt, okay? What I want y'all to do now is go ahead on and mix everything up, okay? Make sure that there ain't no big clump of anything sitting together. No bunch of baking powder, sugar for that matter, anything. Make sure it's really, really mixed up good. Now just go ahead on, y'all, sit that to the side. In your other bowl, go ahead on in with, look, 1 cup of buttermilk, okay? And you're gonna make sure that's room temperature. All right. After that down, going on in with 2 eggs, okay? 2 large eggs. All right. Now, y'all, 6 teaspoons of melted butter, okay? So go ahead with the butter. Now, I'm gonna tell you something, y'all. We already got the oven preheated up at 400 degrees, okay? So keep that in mind. Get that done at this point. You wanna get that started at least, okay? Go ahead and get everything a good mix around, y'all. All right, y'all, look. You ain't gotta do this, but really you're making some cornbread in the skillet. Go ahead with your butter and make sure and butter that sucker real nice, okay? Even on the sides, okay? You wanna get some nice butter on there, all the way around. And of course on the bottom, okay? Got to have plenty of butter. Y'all already know how to tell y'all about that, okay? Can't have enough. All right. Now y'all go ahead on and add the wet ingredients into the dry, okay, y'all? Get all that buttermilk, get all that goodness out of it, okay? All right. And then just go ahead on, y'all, and get this all combined it up real nice and pretty. And look at all that butter in that skillet. Let me show y'all. I know I like butter, okay? So let me tell you something. Comes down to cornbread. Got to add some good butter anyway. All right. And y'all go ahead on and check that out. You see that consistency right there, y'all? That's what I'm looking for. Go ahead with that there on the skillet, okay? Get it all up in the skillet. And don't leave nothing behind. It's too good. All right, y'all, so you just go ahead on, y'all, put your batter in there. You're gonna do like this, make sure it's leveled out, okay? Otherwise your cornbread gonna be leaning to one side to the other. Anyway, long story short, oven's preheated to 400 degrees. Throw your skillet in there for 15 to 20 minutes, okay? You check it at 15 minutes, see what it looks like, okay? Let's go. All right, y'all, so about 20 minutes later, the cornbread's done. Come take a look at it. Smelling absolutely delicious. All right, y'all, so cornbread's done. Take a look at it. I personally like to put butter on top of my cornbread, okay? I think it's really good. So if y'all like the video, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, okay? I'll see y'all on the next one.